Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minutes. Happy Monday. It's the biggest week of the year. Starts off with President Trump meeting with Kim Jong-un in Singapore. Later tonight, 8:30 p.m. Central Time. Sounds like when we'll start to hear some stuff or when they actually meet. It's a quiet day in the economic calendar otherwise. Tomorrow, though, brings CPI data. We talked about this in the tradable events. It's our number one tradable event this week. And then we have the trio of central bank meetings. The Fed on Wednesday, the ECB early Thursday, and the Bank of Japan late Thursday night U.S. hours. That's also, all three of these I just said are on our tradable events this week. Keep an eye out for that. It's on our website. Check it out. Moving on to the S&P, we're melting up ahead of the Fed. It's almost like this Fed drift has started today, despite some little bit of tensions or heightened tensions actually out of the G7 summit, and then building expectations with this North Korean summit. We're seeing the S&P and the stock market melt up ahead of the Fed. Again, that Fed drift about a day early. Now, can this hold? Well, we got to see some substance from the North Korean summit tonight, I think, to really see this thing move and hold. But we're also getting closer and closer to a tremendous resistance level. We have major four-star resistance just overhead. The S&P is crossing above 2790 right now. You have the NASDAQ out above 7200 again. So we got this melt up going. But again, watch for some of these news events. Is it going to stick? And if the Fed's more hawkish this week, it could bring a little bit of pressure. The CPI could set that tone. Watch out for that number tomorrow. The real bigger mover today is crude oil. It traded down to key support just below 65 bucks. Our level aligns with the 100-day moving average and the closing lows. That level held. We ripped higher. Some technical moves. We also got the fundamental jawboning from OPEC with the OPEC meeting at the end of next week. We're now out above 66 bucks. This close today is going to be pivotal. We have major three-star resistance right around $66. We've talked about it. It's shot the market down. A close above here, we could easily see a move to about 67.5 at our next major three-star level ahead of inventories. Watch for this, and it could really get the ball going after a close today. You can see the price action melt up into tomorrow morning. We like crude in the sense there's a tremendous amount of value down here, so we've been talking about that, and we've had a bullish bias to the Morning Express. The other big story we really like is silver, trying to get and regain 17 bucks. This is really a firm move here. It's been basing. We know we've liked these metals for a while. We've talked about the net short position in silver, and we're starting to see this finally come alive. There's a lot of room for silver to rally. Keep that on your radar. Give us a call, though. We're here to talk about anything on the board, 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. Check our website for updates. Remember to sign up for a free trial of our research on our website. And remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. Is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.